Manitoba's veterinarians took a stance, and we're seeing exactly that they no longer want to be performing this cosmetic surgery.
This past Friday, the Manitoba Veterinary Medical Association voted overwhelmingly in favor of banning the practice of docking the tails of dogs, a procedure that animal advocates have long called outdated and inhumane.
Good boy, Rocky.
For dogs like Rocky and other breeds once used as working dogs, the practice of tail docking dates back to the Romans, who believed it helped stave off rabies. In the centuries since, it has evolved, with proponents arguing that it helps prevent injuries later in life, specifically for working dogs.
We now, as society, view dogs as our beloved family members, and so it's only right that they be able to keep their tails and not have them docked to conform to breed standards.
In 2010, a study out of Great Britain showed that less than 1% of dogs with the procedure were spared from injuries later in life. For Brittany Semeniuk, who first proposed the change, she argues the procedure does far more harm than good.
They really rely on their tails as a form of communication. You know, it's the best way to indicate if they're feeling happy or if they're feeling fearful. A lot of dogs also use their tails for stability, especially if they're swimming. So there is an impact on dogs by not having their tails.
It really is a progressive and science-based decision that puts the well-being of dogs ahead of the economic interests of breeders.
Caitlin Mitchell of Animal Justice applauds the move, but does fear the procedure will continue behind closed doors, as she says some breeders perform the tail docking themselves.
There's no oversight of breeders in Manitoba. So, we really need a clear prohibition that sends a message that no one should be doing this.
In Winnipeg, Kurt Black, City News.